The Tab 400 Boondock is NuCamp's largest teardrop on the road today. Let's take a closer look. Starting inside, you're immediately met with your kitchen. With a microwave, a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop, and a fridge with a large storage drawer underneath. Moving into the back, you'll find your RV queen-size bed, as well as a flat-screen TV, 2 reading lights, and cubby storage with power outlets. Moving into the front, your U-shaped dinette can seat 2 to 3 people, but converts into a second sleeping space at night. Overhead and to the side, you'll find additional storage. Adjacent to all of this is a massive wet bath. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.